Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zenhub MLBB. First, download the application from a trusted source. Once installed, open Zenhub and grant the necessary permissions. You'll then see the main interface, ready for customization. Remember, always use these tools responsibly to maintain fair play and avoid any potential account issues. We'll cover specific features in the next slides. Personalizing your game with Zenhub MLBB is straightforward. Head over to the Skins tab, where you'll find hundreds of custom options for your favorite heroes. Simply tap on a hero, select a skin, and apply it. You can also explore the Effects section to add unique battle animations and elimination effects, making your gameplay truly stand out. After making your selections, remember to close and reopen Mobile Legends for the changes to appear. One of Zenhub MLBB most strategic features is the drone view. To enable it, find the drone view option in the main menu and toggle it on. You can then adjust the zoom level, often from 1.5x to 3x, giving you a much wider field of vision. This expanded perspective is incredibly useful for tracking enemy movements, anticipating ganks, and making more informed tactical decisions during intense matches. While Zenhub MLBB offers exciting customizations, it's crucial to use it responsibly. Always download the application from trusted websites to protect your device from potential threats. Be mindful of Mobile Legends' terms of service regarding third-party tools. Using them carries inherent risks. Play fairly, respect other players, and enjoy the enhanced experience without compromising the integrity of the game. Regular updates will also keep your Zenhub running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.